Welcome to Raghunandan Money, and today in this video we are going to learn how you can create your XTS API. So first of all, you have to log in at rmoneyindia.com and select Rocket API, and here you have to click on Get API Documentation. So a new page would be open like this. Here you have to click on Create Account since you do not have an existing API documentation with us. And now fill the required information. Your first name, your last name, your email address, your registered contact number with RMoney, and here in user ID, you simply have to enter your client ID which you get from RMoney. Now enter the password which you want it to have and confirm password. Make sure both the password matches, otherwise it will give you an error. Enter the captcha and now click on checkbox and sign up. So now then it will ask you to verify your email address. All you have to do is click on resend email. Then it would send you an email to your personal mail ID. So you have to verify from there. Alright, so once you logged in, please click on create new application. Then it would ask you to verify your trading ID. Click on validate, and as you can see that your broker ID is already mentioned here. So you have to enter your trading ID, which is your client ID, and the password which you have just set. Alright, so it is successfully validated. Alright, so let's create the API. Let me first tell you the difference between two. That market data API is used for those applications which are not integrated with RMoney, such as your own trading bot or any other application. And interactive APIs are used for those platforms which are already integrated with RMoney, such as Tron Algo, Market Maya, and many others. So let's first create market data API. So here in app name, you can mention market data API, and in app description, you can add description as per your convenience. Here I'm going to keep it as market data API 2. If you want, you can add logo here too, but we'll proceed it without it. Here you have to select market data API. And then in basic information, you have to enter your company name, which is Raghunandan Capital Private Limited. And simply click on create new application. See, your market data API is successfully created. And in the same way, you can create the interactive one. Let's do that too. In app name, you can keep it as interactive order API. And in app description, we are going to keep it same. Simply check interactive order API 2 and enter the company name, which is Raghunandan Capital Private Limited, and create new application. As you can see that the new API is also created. Alright, so API requests have been successfully submitted and it would be approved within 48 hours. See, this is how the page would look like once it is approved. And now you can successfully connect your RMoney's account with the other platforms easily. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or doubts, please do comment down below. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.